Good morning, you guys. I really hope you're having a great Wednesday morning. So today for this video, I will be creating a My Little Pony makeup tutorial. I think this is gonna be really fun to do. And I'm fixing to go to work, and to me, creating this look, I think is gonna be fun. And I'm gonna be, in order to do that, I'm gonna go ahead and use my NYX Love You So Much Mochi. Have you guys already seen this palette? It's really nice. If you have not seen the other video that I did from the unicorn tutorial, go ahead and I will put it down here so you guys can go ahead and watch it if you have not seen it. And these are the shade colors that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using pink, purple, and blue. So that way you guys can get an idea how it's going to look. And then I'm going to be also using my Hard Candy eyeshadows in silver. I've already shown you guys this before when I did the prom look, but I'm going to be using this gray color right here. So I just wanted to point you out those things that I'm going to be using. And also I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. As you guys see, this is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes that I mostly use in all my video tutorials. So I really do hope you enjoy this. And once again, if you're new to my channel, my name is Jasmine, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And if you have subscribed to my channel, then forget what I just said. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so I really do hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial that I did with you guys. I hope you like it. And once again, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel and give it a big thumbs up. And I hope to see you guys really soon. Bye, guys.